Welcome back to CAC Academy, guys. I hope you guys have been enjoying our video so far. If you've made it this far on our website, that means you know how to do a D flip-flop and a T flip-flop. Today, we'll be doing a JK flip-flop. This one is actually my favorite, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you would like to review our present and next state columns, you can reference the first video we posted on the D flip-flop state table. This will quickly recap how to fill in the present and next state columns. In the interest of time, I will only be showing you how to fill in the data columns. It is at this time that I will introduce to you the excitation table for the JK flip-flop. When the present state is 0 and the next state is 0, then J gets 0 and K gets X. When the present state is 0 and the next state is 1, then J gets 1 and K gets X. When the present state is 1 and the next state is 0, J gets X and K gets 1. Lastly, when the present and next state are 1, then J gets X and K gets 0. We will now use the values from the excitation table along with the present state and next state to fill out the data columns. The data columns for the JK flip-flop is a bit different to the D and T flip-flop, so please pay attention. Let's first look at the present state Q2 column and the next state Q2 plus 1 column and reference the excitation table. Here, the present state is 0 and the next state is 0. This means that the data column for JA will get 0 and the data column for KA will get X. In this example, the present state is 0 and the next state is 0. This is similar to the one we've done above, so the output will be the same. This one is also similar to the one we've done above, and the output will be the same. This one is a bit different, where the present state is 0 and the next state is 1. When we reference the excitation table, this means that JA gets 1 and KA gets X. This one is also a bit different, where the present state is 1 and the next state is 1. And we reference the excitation table, this means JA gets X and KA gets 0. At this time, I will fill out the rest of the JA and KA columns. I have centered the columns for the JA and KA data columns to make it a bit easier for reading. Now, we will do the JB and KB columns, using the Q1 from the present state and the Q1 plus 1 from the next state. In this case, the present state is 0 and the next state is 1. When we reference the excitation table, this means that JB gets 1 and KB gets X. In this example, the present state is 0 and the next state is 1. This is similar to the one we've done above. The present state is 1 and the next state is 0. And we reference the excitation table, this means that JB gets X and K gets 1. At this time, I will finish the data columns for the JK flip-flop. I hope you guys understand how to fill in the data columns for the JK flip-flop. I will now encourage you to watch our video on the corner mapping for the JK flip-flop. Bye!